Hello, it's John from Go Kart Daddy. New video today, something a little bit different. We're going to look at the ATK Pro, which is the wooden gravity racer that we sell. It's for adults and teens, so follow along today and I'll show you how it's all made and put together. And these are the parts you've got to fit. So the front bumper, which is a bull bar. All these are satin black, powder coated. And the padded front piece. You have the handbrakes. On this model, they're individual, so you can brake individually each side, depending if you're right or left-handed, I suppose. Rear axle. And then you get the padded rear seat rests, which has adjustment on it, 6 different places. And then once you fit all of those parts, it's just a case of fitting the 4 wheels. Right, this is the bottom side of the go-kart, and as you can see, all the bolts are already pre-fitted. So it's just a case of unscrewing the bolts, and then you just screw front bumper on. These M6 screws like that. Next step is to fix the handbrakes on. Just go on like that. Like I said before, all the nuts and bolts are all pre-fitted, so it's just a case of taking the nuts off and screwing them down. And make sure that you put the handbrake on first, because this loop goes round back axle. And this is what tensions the handbrake. So make sure you put the handbrake on first, and then thread these through the axle. To start the assembly, I usually start on the front end and undo these screws on either side. These are just finger tight, so you should be able to undo them with your hands to start with. And the bumper goes on like this, simply putting the bolts back through. You can nip all the nuts and bolts up tight once everything's assembled. Just for now, just get them done up. Okay, that's the front part assembled. And the next step, like I said, is to fit the brake. Now you should be able to get this one in here without having to take the bracket off, which is handy. So that one goes on like that. And just like the front axle, it screws back through. Bolts rather. Just do them up finger tight for now. Save time, and just tighten it all up. And then you can attach the back axle just the same as the handbrake and the front axle. As you can see, that tensions the handbrake. Once these components are all fitted, you can just go ahead now with your Allen key and the spanner included and just dip all the bolts up nice and tight. These are quite light carts as well, they're only about 15 kilograms. Right, next step is to fit the back seat rest. And always fit this before we put the wheels on the back, because you won't be able to get to the bolts that are behind the wheels. They just bolt together like this. The washer on that either side. Once you have the bottom two bolts in, this is where your adjustment is available, so you can adjust the seat backrest. So if you're slightly taller, you can move the seat back. If you're slightly shorter, you can move it forward. And then this is easily adjustable with the wing nuts that come for quick assembly. Tighten these nuts down. I'm using a 4mm Allen screwdriver, just a bit easier to do up. And the same on the other side. That one up. So, washer on first, followed by the wheel. Next washer, and the eye clips just go through. You might have to use a pair of pliers to do this, but I can do it with my fingers. Just push them through like that, and that's the wheel secure. And that's the same obviously on all four corners. The dimensions of the cart, fully assembled, are 1270mm long, and the width is 590mm, and the maximum weight is about 107 kilograms, which is about 17 stone, just over. Okay, this will conclude this video of the ATK Pro. Also, I'd like to say that it comes complete with an instruction manual, detailed pictures, and of course it comes with these free tools to assemble the cart. Thanks for watching.